If you haven't heard of Nightbot, it's a wonderful bot to help you out when you don't have any mods or just need a tool to make things easier for your mods, and here's how it works. You create custom commands using the exclamation point, then a word, to have Nightbot send a message of your choosing in chat. For example, if someone asks for your Twitter, you can do exclamation point Twitter, and Nightbot will put your custom message in chat linking it to your Twitter. If someone raids you, you can personally thank them for the raid instead of just using the shoutout function on Twitch. While it's not too complicated overall, here are some of my commands to show specifically what you can do. I suggest pausing for now if you want to try copying some of the text to implement it into your own streams. Luckily, I had a friend to help me with this when I started, so this is just me sharing my knowledge to those who don't have that cool streamer friend. I got other tutorials up if you're confused about how Twitch works and some other things, so go check those out. I hope this helps. See you later. Bye bye!